In a garden full of sunshine and colorful flowers lived a little bee named Pip. Pip was a very happy bee, and his favorite thing to do was buzz from one bright flower to another, tickling his fuzzy tummy on the soft petals. One morning, Pip met Barnaby, an older, wiser bee. Barnaby had the kindest eyes and the gentlest buzz. "Hello, little one," buzzed Barnaby. "What a beautiful day to be a helper." "A helper?" asked Pip. "What do we help with?" Barnaby smiled. "We have a very important job," he explained. "We visit the flowers and drink their sweet nectar. It's like a delicious, sugary drink just for us." "But that's not all," Barnaby continued. "While we're sipping nectar, a special dust called pollen sticks to our fuzzy bodies. When we fly to the next flower, we carry the pollen with us, which helps new flowers grow." In the same garden, a little girl named Lily was playing. She loved the flowers, but when she heard a buzzing sound, her happy smile turned into a worried frown. She didn't like bees. Pip saw Lily looking scared and felt a little sad. He wanted to show her that he was a friendly bee. He flew a little closer, not to scare her, but to say hello in his own buzzy way. Pip remembered a special bee secret. He started to do a funny little dance in the air, wiggling and waggling his body. It was a secret bee map, showing the way to the sweetest surprise in the garden. Lily watched the funny dancing bee. She wasn't scared anymore, just curious. She followed the direction of Pip's dance and found a patch of juicy red strawberries, ripe for picking. Lily took a big bite of the sweet strawberry. It was the most delicious thing she had ever tasted. She looked at Pip, who was now resting on a nearby leaf. "Did you help this grow?" she whispered. Pip wiggled his antennae as if to say, "We sure did!" From that day on, Lily was never afraid of bees again. She knew they were the little helpers in her garden, working hard to make beautiful flowers and delicious fruits. The garden was a happier place for everyone. From that day